Top 10 Auto Repair in Washington, D.C. 1. Roadmaster Mobile Mechanic and Roadside Service Experience a disaster, call the Roadmaster. 5. 101 Reviews, Quackenbos St. NW. 2. Auto Shop Service LLC, 599 Reviews, Central Avenue. 3. Omar Auto Repair, 584 Reviews, Rhode Island Avenue NE. 4. Imperial Auto Body of DC, 4.9 623 Reviews, Chillum Place NW. 5. Old Ox Tire and Auto, 4.9 479 Reviews, 18th Street Northeast. 6. Auto Tech Service, 4.9 310 Reviews, Olivet Road in EB. 7. Tab Motors, 4.9 251 Reviews, Massachusetts Avenue NW. 8. Tenleytown Automotive, 4.8 572 Reviews, Wisconsin Avenue NW. 9. Metro Motor, 4.8 524 Reviews, Wisconsin Avenue NW. 10. Metro Motor, 4.8 406 Reviews, Pennsylvania Avenue SA.